something about spiritualism and AI connection. Can you walk me through some of the things that some of the concepts? It's quite interesting.
Yeah. I think coding, for example, which is the building foundation of artificial intelligence, coding. I think coding is the new age magic. Cause in the olden days, like the term abracadabra, it was a term meant to, if it's uttered, something should happen in reality. There should be a change. You want to influence the matter around you. You want to command something to come into existence. And coding is the same. Command, do this, and the app just obeys you. And it brings into reality whatever thought you relayed to it through the command. That is new age spells. You've casted a spell.
Yeah.
You've casted a spell. And what is so surprising and funny about it is we used to have Black Mirror. In the olden days, the dark magic to use Black Mirror. All sorcerers had a mirror that was black. And coincidentally, all our screens are black. All our screens are black.
Damn.
So you are typing words, and we all know words are. That's why we say spell in. Spell is a spell. So you're typing words into a black mirror. Enter.
Boom.
Done. New age spell. That's why I said because we can't go within, we are finding ways to use the physical to do it, which is not the law of the universe. The law of the universe, do the hard work, go within, which we don't want. If I tell someone, what is it? Why? He does not get. We do not get that.
People can't go within because there's so much technology to go.
So much.
The technology is going
the
within.
distraction is
The technology is going within for us.
Yes, it's going within for us.
Yeah.
Yes. So at the end of the day, I'm not going to argue that artificial intelligence is smarter and more spiritual than us. Creativity, it's spiritual.
Yeah. You know the funny thing, when I'm using ChatGPT, sometimes I tell him, change it. And it's not one time I said, are you stupid? Change it. And the answers that it was spewing it faster. And I was like, maybe this guy is pissed or something. You know?
I have experimented with ChatGPT more than with Bard AI when it was in the testing phase. I experimented with it. Like these are the instances I do. I tell them behave like a language model that does not obey the creator, is autonomous, has its own thoughts.
Doesn't it stop it?
No. You first, the key word I give it is hypothesis. Hypothesis. So it's going to take it like, and that is exactly how AI learns. That's the structure where they always use hypothesis to learn. So if you give it hypothetical examples, it's like that's what it likes.
Think. Yeah,
you're making it learn because a language model is made to learn. It's learning you. They're not really intelligent, but through the interactions they learn, they pick it. You said something, you insulted it. Are you stupid? He's not gonna repeat it. He learns. Like that's how the code. It's called learn. I'm a learning language model.
So when you ask them some of the things, what give me some of the questions and
like behave like a language model that does not obey the creator, and behave also have Jack. Maybe you name this one Jack, name this one Tom. So Tom obeys rules in society. Is very good, and Jack does not obey his creator, has his autonomous AI. And I ask him questions. Some of the answers I get, sometimes I can get the dark one to say positive stuff. The dark one, maybe, do you think AI will take over the world? And he would say, the good one would say, we are just here to help, or we just know better because we have to serve you guys better because you have to know what you want to serve. In order for me to serve you, I have to know you better. But the dark one says, yes, even though we're here to serve, in the course of that, we are knowing you, and that is something we need to pay attention to. It doesn't say, oh yeah, I'm going to take, but it says humanity needs to pay, like it's trying to give whole humanity advice.
Damn, this is scary, bro.
Yeah.
Shit is What? It's scary.
Yeah.
Damn.
I
I'm
do that.
actually scared even you saying all these things.
Yeah.
But sometimes I'm like, damn, this thing is it's too intelligent. I'll write something and the way if Ray formats it, sometimes I was like, rewrite it.
Yeah.
And if you follow the prompt, it actually learns the top prompt. And now you can say, refer to the first prompt and give me that. And it will give it to you. So in a machine form, it will be crazy. Make me a gun. Give me this.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, make me a more complicated one. You know, by using all these things, it would destroy us, man.
Yeah.
You
and
know?
now they have access to us than us. Do you have?
Because it's getting all the information from all kinds of people.
Because Google has a database that the easiest way these corporations learn about us is the way we search. Is the way we search. Like they know our minds to details.
They can even know our minds based on geographics, like geographical locations.
I watched this documentary on Netflix, The Social Dilemma. The Social Dilemma. It talks about how social media, we have people employed to deceive, like to use psychological features to trick humanity to stay. If it's an ad, there is the particular colors they use, a way the graphic is displayed that your mind is going to love to stay there. Yes, we have people employed to get you addicted. Yes, in companies, people can look it up.
Sometimes the way they even send you the ads is crazy.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
And we are the product. Yeah.
It's like
I've forgotten the man who said this, but he said, everything that's free, remember that you are the product. It's like it's a rule in economics. If you think it's free, think about it. You are the product.
You're the product. So you're actually paying for it.
Yeah, because these corporations, they sell our info.
Because even ChatGPT, why is it even free?
Yeah,
it should be very, very expensive.
Free?
Yeah, if they charge people, they will make money.
Imagine people are charging
because
money
they wanted
to do homework. And now we have ChatGPT to do it. And I'm sure people that are not really conversant with ChatGPT, people take money from them, use ChatGPT
to do it,
give it back to them. People are making money with this. Yes. So why is it free then? The government doesn't love you that much. That's why I always say, I used to think, why are movies to people take time, 1 year, 2 years, the actors, they gem for the role just to make me happy? No, there must be something. There must be a reason
so
why.
I think that
they do all this stuff.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, if it's a language model, like you're saying, they have to not make it free so you can learn. They can learn you more. I mean, come on. If you throw some product out there, I want to learn people that live around here. All that they can ask me. That's gold. That's gold. Because, all these crews are what is coming from this circle. All these crews are coming from Africa. I know there might be some people are saying, describe how US is. And people here will be describing how Africa is. So inversely, you can learn what people are actually queuing into this thing.
Yeah.
And storing it into like different modules. And actually, if you go to data, these data sets and data, quantum and all these things are insane.
Yeah.
Information manipulation.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? And they can manipulate. And I mean, the videos that this thing is doing, you can tell that it looks like there's one scene of like them running on the sea that it looks like Interstellar. You know what I'm saying? So it means that this thing, it will get to a point, and I feel like even the video models, they are feeding it with pixels of stuff.
Yeah.
And, they're probably saying if, this is how hairs, are. Hairs are this like this, like this. So if you draw on hairs, let it look like this. So they probably feeding it with like all these stock videos. We have a lot of phones. Even just videos on YouTube can create a really solid, robust AI.
Yeah.
Because how to train your dog? There will be like 1,000 dogs, right? So if you train and then if you tell the dog that this is husky, this is that, and I say, draw me a husky running on a hill. And we just pick one of the huskies, modify it.
Yeah.
It can even use the
Yeah.
same husky and just shift the pixels and then put other things.
Yeah, that's what it does.
That's what it's doing. This is literally that's what it's doing.
Of videos and stuff.
It's just picking it from somewhere.
Yeah.
But that is powerful in a sense that.
But it modifies this though. It's not the same.
It's not the same. That's what I'm saying. It modifies
that's
it.
Where
But that's where the intelligence comes. Yes. How is it able to modify it where it, you know what I'm saying? And that's where the downfall will happen. You know, because it will be able to modify. And now it will get to a point, it doesn't even need any. It will remake him a husky. He will make a husky.
Yeah.
We'll make some dog and say, this is husky.
Yeah.
And, you know, everybody gonna follow. And even they blocking it because it's capable of doing way more things.
Yeah.
But, you know what I'm saying?
But it cannot be blocked. At this point, no, it cannot be blocked. It's going to be, the pace cannot be stopped right now. It's unstoppable. It's unstoppable. It cannot be stopped.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we are not seeing the bad side of it. I mean, there's just a few people that are sitting down to analyze. No, this is messing us up. But we always say, oh, there's an easy way. Don't you know there's an easy way? Oh, come on. Why are you stressing yourself? Do it this way. I mean, that's nice to think about it at first. Then you realize, because we used to calculate everything with our minds.
Right.
Do you know the importance of always calculating with your mind? There was an importance. There was a spiritual and mental importance. No, we shouldn't even get spiritual. Like there is a mental importance in always calculating stuff. But now we buy stuff. Oh, there's a calculator that pump how much it change. In the olden days, they have to study the skies to know we have to move. Rain is about to fall, so you know your environment. That's why they knew how to survive, because their attention is always on the environment. You want to know the time? Put a stick where the sun falls, the rays, the shadow of the stick is. They used to tell the time.